Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change theme in Google Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to change theme in Google Play Store, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. And after opening your Play Store app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us at the bottom of the list, just above the help and feedback. Tap on settings, and when this menu appears, guys, at the top of the screen you can see there is the general option available for us. Tap on the general option, and this kind of interface will open for us where you can see the fourth option here is the theme. And in order to change your theme on Google Play Store, tap on it, and over here basically you can see the two themes with the system default. If your system's default theme is on the light or the dark mode, you can choose the Play Store on that. But in order to change the theme, choose one of the themes which you like from over here, and after that tap on OK, and then your theme on your Google Play Store will be changed. And with that being said, guys, this is how to change theme in Google Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.